Sending large files over the internet can often be a challenge. Email sending limits typically range from 25 to 35 megabytes, depending on the provider. Many of us use Google Drive and similar cloud services to store important data, such as photos and documents, which is why uploading large files to the cloud is often not a practical option. If you want to securely share large files from 1 to 50 gigabytes with friends or colleagues, there is an efficient way to do this completely for free and without registration. In the video description, you will find the links for all the services that allow for large file sharing, and next to each one, the maximum file size you can send will be indicated, making it easy for you to choose the one that suits your needs. Once you select the service you want to use, click on Select File to upload. Choose the file you want to share and click Open to confirm your selection. In the upper corner, you will see the name of your file and its size, and below that you have two options to configure. The first option is Expires After, which indicates how long you want your file to be available for download. This option has two settings that you should adjust to your needs: downloads and days. Downloads refers to the number of downloads after which the link, along with all data, will be deleted. For example, if you set this option to 2 downloads, the link and data will be deleted after the second download. Days indicates the number of days the link will be available. Those two conditions are interconnected, meaning the link will be deleted as soon as one of them is met. For instance, if you set 2 downloads and 1 day, the link will be deleted after 2 downloads of the given file, and if no one downloads the file, the link will be deleted after 1 day. This approach ensures user privacy and security, as your data will not remain on the internet indefinitely, while also avoiding service overload with unnecessary data. When it comes to security, it's important to note that all files are encrypted and end-to-end encryption is used. As an additional layer of protection, there is an option to set a password. You set the password by clicking the Protect with Password option, entering your password in a designated field. Then, click on the Upload button to send. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, the upload may be completed quickly or may take longer. Once the upload is finished, copy the link along with the password if you set one and send it to the people you want to share the data with. When I go to the link I created, the site will prompt me to enter the password in order to download the file. As I mentioned earlier, in the video description you will find a list of all services that supports file sizes from 1 to 50 gigabytes. They all operate on a similar basis, so feel free to choose the one that best meets your needs. Thanks to everyone who took the time to watch this video. I hope you find it useful or at least informative.